kind of looks like rice. Okay, so I'm going to try a piece of the candy, and then Cole will try the candy, his candy, because this is mine. And then we'll both try this ricey thing that doesn't expire until apparently 5001. See that right there? So I'm gonna try the Kit Kat, which is owned by, in America it's owned by Nestle, but everywhere else it's owned, or no, in America it's owned by Hershey's, and everywhere else it's owned by Nestle, which is what me and Cole's grandma work for. Or yeah, our grandma is in Nestle. So yeah. So they have weird things. You open a box and then there's like a 2-pack, I guess. Oh yeah, look at this little cartoon they have right there. So it's like, okay, bend over, run, succeed. And then it says on the side, open to start, and then goal. So apparently it's like soccer or something. So, I don't know. I just traveled like 15,000 miles just to end up in my mouth. And then from my mouth to my stomach, then from my stomach to the toilet. Okay. It tastes pretty good. It's like, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Tastes just like America's. Unless you're like a fanatic about Kit Kats, then you'll love these. Because it tastes just like America. So, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Let's try the rice. It smells like weird cereal.
Man, spoilers.
Don't eat it yet. We gotta eat it at the same time.
It smells like burnt peanut butter.
You open that. My hands are really greasy. It smells like burnt peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh, it does. It smells like peanuts. This is what they look like. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It does. Tastes like burnt peanuts.
Yeah, it's and rice.
Right at the beginning, and then towards the end.
So I give it like 5.5.
I gave it like 3.5.
Well,
Just 4.
okay, 4 out of 10. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog. Probably wasn't really that long, but yeah. See you next week. Subscribe and check out yesterday's vlog where I do a basketball thing, as you can see now, and shoot some hoops and everything with my brother. So check it out.